Welcome back to The Explainer. So, today we're diving straight into a really compelling evolution happening right now in modern implant dentistry. We're going to unpack the data behind guided implant surgery, look at exactly why the tools of the trade are shifting so fast, and explore how adopting this specific tech is totally reshaping both clinical outcomes and, business success. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Are you still leaving your implant placements to chance? I know, it sounds a little provocative, right? But think about it. If you're relying strictly on traditional, non-guided surgical methods, well, there's just an inherent degree of estimation going on. I mean, even for the most seasoned clinician, freehand placement relies so heavily on in-the-moment visual cues and tactile feedback. Modern implantology is really challenging us to ask this. Why rely on estimation when we literally have the tools for absolute precision right at our fingertips? Which brings us to Section 1, the new standard of care.
As implant dentistry keeps evolving, surgical guides, well, they just aren't those optional fancy accessories for complex cases anymore. They've really become absolutely essential tools for achieving consistent, predictable results. The ultimate goal here is a sky-high level of consistency across every single patient case. And getting there requires a real shift in methodology. You need tools that are specifically designed to take the variable of human error completely out of the equation. It's all about creating a replicable standard of excellence.
Moving on to Section 2, unparalleled predictability and safety.
Let's zoom right in for a second on the micro-level clinical benefits of guided surgery, looking specifically at what's happening inside the patient's mouth. There's just a stark contrast between traditional methods and guided surgery. The traditional risk of unexpected complications is inherently higher, simply because you're navigating anatomy in real time. On the flip side, we have guided patient safety and visualized results. Surgical guides give you this unparalleled predictability because of the digital planning process. You actually get to visualize the final result before the surgery even begins. Imagine that! You're locking in optimal positioning virtually, long before a scalpel is ever picked up. It drastically cuts down on those mid-surgery surprises that, let's be honest, every clinician absolutely dreads.
And safety's absolutely paramount, right? When you use surgical guides, you're actively protecting critical anatomical structures. We're talking about dodging the inferior alveolar nerve, the maxillary sinus, and those adjacent tooth roots. By using a physical guide that literally limits and directs your instrumentation based on an exact 3D digital plan, you are massively reducing the risk of complications. And hey, from a professional standpoint, this acts like a giant shield against malpractice issues. You're protecting the patient, sure, but you are also protecting your license.
All right, let's look at Section 3, efficiency meets competitive advantage.
So, zooming out from the surgical chair for a minute, let's look at the macro-level operational and business benefits. Adopting this technology kicks off this amazing operational domino effect. First off, by streamlining the surgical process with guides, the planning is done beforehand, right? Which means the actual surgery is just way faster. That leads perfectly into Step 2, completing procedures efficiently. Less time in the chair for the patient and definitely less fatigue for you, the clinician. Then, Step 3. This newly found time means you can safely treat more patients. You're bumping up your capacity. But the real magic happens in Step 4. You maintain high quality. You're not rushing, you're just working with a hyper-precise roadmap. It's a massive productivity boost without sacrificing an ounce of care.
And all this operational efficiency, it actively positions your practice as incredibly technology-forward. It shows a very visible commitment to the highest standards of care, which is a massive competitive advantage. If you're in a local market trying to attract those discerning patients, the ones who actually do their research and want the absolute best, safest care out there, being able to market yourself as a fully guided, digitally planned practice, that sets you miles apart from competitors who are still doing things the old way.
Next up, Section 4, building ultimate patient trust.
The visual planning process involved in creating these surgical guides isn't just for you, the clinician. It acts as this phenomenal bridge between your deep clinical expertise and the patient's actual understanding. Think about it from their perspective for a second. Dental surgery is super intimidating, but when you can sit them down and literally show them a 3D digital model of their own jaw, visually walking them through their planned treatment, that is top-tier education right there. Like the quote says, visual planning is your best tool for patient acceptance. When patients can actually see the plan, their confidence in the procedure just skyrockets. It dramatically increases case acceptance because you're removing that massive fear of the unknown.
Which brings us to our final core topic, Section 5, the implementation investment.
Now, let's be real. Adopting this standard of care requires navigating some realistic hurdles to actually successfully incorporate these guides into your daily practice. There are 3 specific required investments here.
First up is training. You and your whole staff need to learn the software and the physical protocols. Second is technology. We're talking intraoral scanners, CBCT machines, maybe some 3D printers, and of course, the planning software itself. And third is workflow optimization. You've really got to adapt how your office schedules, plans, and preps for these cases. It requires a conscious, dedicated effort to change your practice's day-to-day rhythm.
But here's the bottom line. The benefits far outweigh the initial investment. Yeah, for sure, there's an upfront cost in time, money, and energy. But the return on that investment? The unparalleled predictability, the massive drop in stress and malpractice risk, the operational efficiency, the jump in case acceptance, and that ultimate competitive advantage, it all makes it an undeniable net positive for the entire life of your practice.
So I'll leave you with this. If the benefits so clearly outweigh the investment, can your practice afford to be left behind? As the standard of care rapidly shifts toward digital planning and guided surgery, the ones who adapt are going to thrive, while those relying on the old ways might just find themselves at a really distinct disadvantage. I hope this explainer gave you the clarity and the structure you need to evaluate your current clinical workflow. The data is clear, the tools are right there waiting, and the next step, well, that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much for joining me to explore this incredibly important topic, and as always, keep learning.